Tired of juggling bills and risking late fees? We'll show you how to set up pre-authorized payments on your RBC account so you can kiss those late payment worries goodbye. This will automate your recurring bills and ensure they're always paid on time. First, log into your RBC Online Banking account using your username and password. Make sure you're on a secure network before entering your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bill payment section. It's usually found on the main summary page or in the left-hand menu. Now, look for an option that says something like Set Up Pre-Authorized Payments, Manage Pre-Authorized Payments, or similar. Click on that. If you haven't already, you'll need to add your biller as a payee. Search for your biller by name, for example, your phone company or utility provider, and follow the prompts to add them. You'll likely need your account number with that biller. You'll now see the pre-authorized payment setup screen here. You'll select the payee you want to set up the pre-authorized payment for, then enter the amount you want to pay each time. You will also choose the frequency. This could be monthly, bi-weekly, or whatever your bill requires, and specify a start date for the payments. Important, many banks allow you to set a limit on the pre-authorized payment amount. This is a good security measure to prevent overcharging. Look for an option to set a limit and make sure it's appropriate for your bill. Double-check all the details on the confirmation screen: the payee, amount, frequency, start date, and limit. Make sure everything is correct, then confirm the setup. If you ever need to cancel or modify a pre-authorized payment, you can usually do so by going back to the Manage Pre-Authorized Payments section. Just select the payment you want to change and follow the instructions to cancel or edit it. And that's it. You've successfully set up pre-authorized payments on your RBC account. Enjoy the peace of mind knowing your bills are being paid automatically and you're avoiding late fees.